Word can be configured to save your work periodically on any schedule that you desire. This quick tip explains this feature and shows you how to do the necessary configuration. We've all done it. You're working along for several hours on a document when suddenly the power goes out, or you kick the reset button on your computer, or your 3-year-old pulls the power cord out of the wall. The list goes on, but the bottom line is that you lost the past couple hours of work. Many things spring to mind at a time like this, most of which can't be repeated. Hopefully, though, you learned a lesson when this happened. Word allows you to protect yourself by automatically saving your work for you. To set the automatic saving feature, all you need to do is go over to the Word Options dialog box, and at the left side of the dialog box, click on Save. The settings you want to pay attention to are these right here. The first one says Auto Save Files Stored in the Cloud by default in Word. That means that if you have a cloud account, that your files will be saved there automatically on a regular basis so that they're always available from any device that you may want to access them with. The second option says Save Auto Recover Information every, in this case, 10 minutes. That needs to be selected. That's what does the actual saving of your files automatically so that you don't lose 2 hours worth of work. Make sure that it's turned on, just like it is here, and then you can set the number of minutes to just about anything that you want. 10 minutes is a pretty good default. That means that every 10 minutes you're going to have an auto recover file that is saved that'll help you get the file back if there's an abnormal end to your session with your computer. Now, if you're comfortable with the prospect of losing more than 10 minutes worth of work, you can certainly change this to a higher value if you want to. Finally, down here you can set the location of where auto recover files are stored, and you can browse to any particular location that you want to on your system, and that's where the auto recover files will be saved. Now, there is one more thing. You should note that auto recover does not really save your file. What it does is save information that Word can use to try to recover your file if Word stops unexpectedly. That's why sometimes when you restart Word, you may see a message that says, "Do you want to recover this file?" That's because Word recognizes that auto recover file is there and that you may want to recover the file because of an abnormal end to your session. I hope you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few moments with me today.